Go.
This is Ethan Galli at Georgetown Technical College. I'm going to be installing a large switch. Coming up.
Now what they're doing is they got a little bit of two-way communication going on about the switch. You gotta stow this ground when you slack the switch off. He's got it resting on his belt. He's going to be installing it on the cross arm, straight in front of him. Put the bracket over the back of the switch, and he's going to be able to hold that on with one hand while he puts the nut on the bottom bolt. And he's installing the bottom bolt, the nut on the bolt. And that's how you install a cutout on a cross arm.